Now it's recording. I had a bird on here and the darn phone wasn't recording. It was right there when I found it. Now, I didn't get, no, the phone wasn't recording. Makes me mad. I think I'm recording, and I looked down there at the time, it has 0000. You can see the bird feeder. Yeah, I do. I think that's a bird. Now I'm gonna scoot my. Sorry about that. I'm scooting the chair, turning the chair back around. Is that a red bird? Or is that just a shadow? I can't tell. I still haven't come up here to the ones up here closer to me. It was. And I thought I was seeing things. Lucky me. Ooh, it's cold. 60, and it feels like, no, it's 62 and it feels like 60 out here. It was 60 out here yesterday and it felt like, no, it was 61 and it felt like 59. That's why I was freezing yesterday. I'm freezing today. I ain't looking forward to no 80-something degree weather. I want Tennessee, all my Tennessee YouTube family that lives in Tennessee, I want some of your snow. I want some snow. I know it'll be even colder if it was snow out here. I mean, snow here. I can't talk. Come back around here and see if there's any. That bird's back up in the. I'm gonna come back around to the. Sorry, I'm making y'all dizzy. I'm gonna sit out here and freeze where they don't get a video of them eating the seed out there. See, there's none on that one, nor none on that one. Just out there. They must not like me like they used to. That was in 2017. I ain't feeding the squirrels because the squirrels get in my house and get in the walls. I have no way of keeping them from getting in my walls. I'm just looking at them again to see if there's no birds. If you like this, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.